Hi there, welcome you all to the code world. Today in this video we are going to print a eye pattern. You can see on my screen our eye pattern will look like this. Okay, so this is, I think this is a very simplest pattern till now. From A till I have get this is very simple pattern, because in this we don't have to do a lots of work. Just first row and last row and till middle column, that's it. So let's start for row in range of, so yeah, first of all let's count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 rows we have. Okay, 7. And not this. Okay, then for column, call in a range of, I think 7 column will be there. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 columns is there. Okay, so let's start printing our condition. I don't think I have to explain all the thing, because nothing is there to explain in it. So if a row equals to 0, or row equals to 6, okay, or row or column, because we want middle column, or column equals to 4. Why I have taken the column 4? Because since this is 0 column, this is first column, this is third column, so fourth and fifth. It will not take fourth, it will run till 4, sorry, it will run till 4 only. Okay, so let's start. If this condition is true, then print start and space. Because if I print this eye pattern in without this space, it will just look like congested. So I have used this space. Okay, don't get confused. So end remark. Okay. Else print space till end. Okay, end. Okay, and last print, just run it. Let's try by running it. I hope we will found the correct. We are getting the full correct eye pattern. Hope you like this video and get a knowledge how to print a eye. And please like, share and subscribe this channel, because sharing is caring. And if you don't understand this how to print eye, just go once again to read this video. I hope that you will find easily how to print eye, because it's a very simple pattern in the alphabet. Okay, thank you for watching.